Namaskar Gurukulians, how are you? Hope you would be fit and fine at your home. Today, I'm your English teacher Dika Sharma. Today we are going to do an interesting topic and that is called notice. In my previous video, I told you about the notice. That was an interesting one. So, that was, first of all, I would like to ask you what is notice. Do you remember what is notice? Okay, notice that is the short piece of a writing. And how many words it consists generally? 50 words. Okay. Another thing, why it is written? Because when we are in need to give information to a number of audience. So for that purpose it is used. So where we can see generally it is used in the schools. When an event is going to be organized, we can see on the notice board, there is a notice. Like if the celebration of Diwali or like if the 15th August celebration or that may be any other day, okay, any other day or either event is going to be celebrated. For that purpose, notices are drafted and those are generally pasted on the notice board and you people get aware about that what is going to be there in the coming days. Okay students, now another topic of notice we are going to do. See, this one is an interesting topic and I hope you would be enjoying that. Let's see what it is. Okay, just listen the heading very carefully. You are Rajiv Shukla, head boy of Gurukul Nilokheri, Karnal. You have been asked to write a notice regarding a bicycle found in the school. Write the notice in about 50 words announcing the find and inviting the rightful owner to claim it after identifying it. So put the notice in a box. So my dear students, if the notice is regarding like something is, you can say something gets lost over there. So how you have to maintain what notice. So first of all, my dear students, you should be aware about how you have to make the format, or you can say like this. You have to make a box. This is the format you have to apply. Okay. So what I told initially you have to write, we will write here Gurukul Nilokheri, Gurukul Nilokheri Karnal, Karnal. Okay, my dear students, the name of your school it is boarding school, it is Gurukul Nilokheri and it is in Karnal. Okay. So what this school has set to draft. They have given instruction to do or to draft a notice. So my dear students, you will mention here notice. Okay, the notice is going to be drafted, but on which date it is drafted? So we have to mention the date. Suppose 15, 16, whatever it is. 15 May, later on 2020. Okay. Now, what you have to do? Why are you writing the notice? What is the reason behind that? So, in this, I told you in the heading, what was that? Something get lost? Yes or no? So, you people have to write a notice in that a bicycle found. You know what? That is, you can say the bicycle is found by us and somebody has lost that. So we are going to draft a notice so that the person who has lost his bicycle by mistake or left it over there, so the person can come and identify that and get the bicycle back. So for that purpose we are writing, because we have got something, okay, like something is found, so that may belong to someone. So for that purpose we are writing. So here it is a bicycle found. listen the heading carefully. Again I am going to read. See, you are Rajiv Shukla, the head boy of Gurukul Nilo Khedi Karnal. You have been asked to write a notice regarding a bicycle found, because we people have found the bicycle. That's why we wrote a bicycle found. Okay. In the school, write the notice in about 50 words announcing the point and the inviting the rightful owner. Means we have found this one. It will be, you can say this may be the belonging of someone, so that person can come and claim it after identifying it. So put this notice in the notice box. So you are Rajiv Shukla, so you are set to draft this. So my dear student, there should be your sign like this, Rajiv. Okay, and after that you have to write your name, Rajiv Shukla, and you are at what designation over there? So you can say the head boy. Head boy. Okay. Now, how we have to write the body of this? Okay, I told you in my previous lecture what, where, when. These were the things you have to keep in your mind. What, where, when. So, what is found? We can say a bicycle is found. So, is we will not write. A bicycle has been found. क्योंकि वो हमें मिल चुकी है. Is found मतलब पाई जाती है. Okay. So, what is found? A bicycle. What has been found? A bicycle. A bicycle has been found lying unclaimed. Why we are writing unclaimed? Because nobody was over there to claim that. That's why we wrote unclaimed. A bicycle has been found lying unclaimed. So what was it? What has been found? So we wrote this where? In the cycle shed. In the in the cycle shed. Okay. So what we wrote? What has been found? A bicycle has been found lying unclaimed in the cycle shed. So anyone, हमें लिखना है कि किसी ने यदि यह खो दी है या बाय मिस्टेक उसकी वहां पर छूट गई है क्या बाइसिकल, सो वो आ सकता है, आइडेंटिफाई कर सकता है उस चीज को और क्लेम कर सकता है. सो वी कैन राइट हियर एनीवन who has lost it, anyone who has lost it or left it by mistake can come to identify and claim it. Can come to identify and claim it. You know, we have described that if this belong to someone, so the person can come and claim it. But at what time? So we have to write identify and claim it during recess time. During recess time. From where the person should come? Like where he should go for claim? From office superintendent. From office superintendent. How many days? This does not mean that this process will run up to 10 days, 12 days or month. Only 2 days or 3 days you can write here. From office superintendent within 2 days. have found something. That's why a bicycle found. What is found or what has been found? So you can say that a bicycle found. This is your subject. So you have to write here. So what is over there? A bicycle has been found lying unclaimed in the cycle shed. The first line is the answer of these two. These two. We are not going to write when. When, why we will not write this? Because if this bicycle belongs to someone, he should give the information about that when he lost his bicycle. Okay. So we are not going to write this one when it was lost. Getting my point? Another thing, in the cycle check we have write anyone. Now we will write further anyone who has lost it. देखिए हम जो ये लिख रहे हैं इसलिए लिख रहे हैं ताकि जिसकी ये बाइसिकल गुम हुई है उसको मिल जाए. तो हम ये जरूर लिखेंगे कि यदि यह साइकिल किसी से बिलोंग करती है, किसी की गुम हो गई है, बाय मिस्टेक छूट गई है, वो आ सकता है, इसे पहचान सकता है. ओके. So for that purpose we are going to write anyone who has lost it or left it by mistake can come to identify and claim it during recess time. We have to mention the time here. Why? Because this does not mean that he can go over there any time. So that's why time should be there. Recess time from the office superintendent within 2 days of this notice. Later on, who was undersigned over there? Who was head boy? So Rajiv Shukla. So Rajiv Shukla will sign here. So Rajiv Shukla name and at what designation is existing. So we will write head boy. I hope it is clear. This is such an interesting, or you can say the easiest thing. So my dear students, enjoy while doing your writing section, literature, even the grammar also. Enjoy the things. The things will get set or will take place in your mind itself. Okay. Now we are going to do another notice. Okay, now next notice we are going to do. Just will listen to the heading very carefully. Listen it. You are Manjeet Kaur Chawla, Activities Coordinator of Activities Coordinator of Gurukul Neelokheri, Karnal. Your school is going to organize a cleanliness drive. What do you mean by cleanliness drive? Drive होता है अभियान, आंदोलन, अभियान. उसको इन इंग्लिश हम बोलते हैं ड्राइव. क्लीनलीनेस मतलब सफाई अभियान. As well as Modi ji is running cleanliness drive. So like that was that cleanliness should exist everywhere in our India. So that is cleanliness drive as part of the International Workers' Day celebrations. During the drive, the students will clean their classroom desk, cupboard, write a notice in not more than 50 words announcing the drive. ड्राइव यानी कि हम इसको क्या कर रहे हैं, इस ड्राइव को हम सेलिब्रेट करने जा रहे हैं. फॉर दैट व्हाट द स्टूडेंट्स हैव टू डू, दोज एक्टिविटीज यू हैव टू मेंशन इन द नोटिस. Invent other necessary details like prices, date, time, venue, equipment required. Put it in the notice box. So my dear students, same thing you have to do here. Just make a box like this. So my dear students, if you are given the name over there, any other school's name, so you will mention that one, not your school. If they did not give you any name, so my dear students, you can write your own school name. Okay. So what we are going to do here, Gurukul Neelokheri Karnal. So you can see that it is not coming at the center. So going to make like this. Okay. Now see what should be there. What they have said, the school management, or you can say the school has given instruction for what? To draft the notice. So we people will write here notice. So in which date you can say 15, 14, whatever, suppose 14. So you will write here 14th May, comma we will not write only this 2020. So what is going to be there? I told you I am going to read it again. Our school is going to organize a cleanliness drive. So what is going to be organized? Cleanliness drive. So we people will write here CLEANLINESS. Cleanliness drive. Okay. So we people are going to organize cleanliness cleanliness drive. Okay. So you are Manjeet Kaur Chawla, activities coordinator. So my dear student, at last you can write Manjeet. Sign here Manjeet. After that Manjeet Kaur Chawla. This is Chawla. And who this person is? This is activities coordinator. So you will write here activities coordinator. And my dear students, from here you have to make a line like this. Complete this box. Okay. Now cleanliness drive. Make the body of this. This is very simple. I taught you this what, where, and when. See, what, where, when. Keep these questions in your mind and your knowledge will get prepared yourself. So what is going to be organized? We can say that a cleanliness drive is going to be organized. So when it will be? This is as the part of International Workers' Day. So we will write here a cleanliness drive is going to be organized on the occasion of a cleanliness drive. On the occasion of International Workers' Day. Okay. So where? In the school. So what we people are going to do? What the students will do? So you can say that as the part of this celebration, students will have to clean their classrooms. And for that they have to bring moppers, detergents, buckets. Okay, the top 3 classes will be awarded. Who will be awarded? The top 3 classes will be awarded. Okay. And later on you have written here. So my dear students, I hope you would be able to write it. This is your homework. You have to maintain it. I am going to tell you again how you have to write. What is going to be organized? You don't need to put the line. I am just making the line here, underlining it. Why? Just to make you understand. So a cleanliness drive is going to be organized on the occasion of International Workers' Day in the school. Okay. As the part of the celebration, students have to clean their classrooms. Okay. For that purpose, they have to bring detergent, moppers, buckets and dusters. Top 3 classes will be awarded. So simple it is. I hope in your own language you people would be able to write it. Okay. In the school in 0 period, I forgot to tell you about on which day. You have to mention the day over here. Like it is 14, whatever here it is given, like when it is celebrated. You can say the particular day over that. Suppose that is 16th May. So you people will write 16th May 2000. 16th May is 0 period. Because there should be also the period now. Which one that will be 4th period, 5th period, 6th period. So you can say the 0 period on dash. On you can say on 15th May. I hope it is clear. Okay. Best of luck.